When I was in high school and college, the qualities that were rewarded the most were intelligence and analytics. That's how the system is. The person who does the math equation fastest or understand the science concepts fastest is rewarded by the system. When I was in job life, the quality that was rewarded the most was discipline. The person who shows up on time, attends all meetings, even if his output is like half your output, but if you're taking more days off, that person will be rewarded by the system. But now at 30, when I see the world, I see that my university peers or colleagues who were probably the smartest in analytical abilities and most disciplines are actually more stuck in the system. While I've met so many people who are making fortune, living their free dream life, traveling the world, doing whatever they want to do just because they have these two qualities: courage and enthusiasm. Eventually, you will realize that courage and enthusiasm are the only two qualities you need. Courage is very difficult. Sometimes it means living on your own and not being on any support and doing things that are hard things to do. But my friends, courage and enthusiasm are the only skills you need to build your life the way you imagine it to be.